Are you an enterprise company looking for advanced photogrammetry solutions to enhance efficiency and precision in your operations? In industries like construction, mining, and surveying, advancements in geospatial data processing open up new possibilities for innovation and efficiency. The PixElement API is a newly introduced feature designed to integrate advanced aerial imagery and 3D mapping capabilities directly into workflows, offering a practical, automated solution for complex geospatial tasks. An API, or application programming interface, is like a bridge that allows two different software systems to talk to each other and work together. Think of it as a translator that makes it easy for one program to ask another program for information or services, even if they're built differently. The PixElement API works like this bridge, connecting your existing tools or applications to PixElement's aerial imagery processing and mapping features. Instead of manually uploading your data, clicking through menus, or downloading files, the API allows your system to handle those tasks automatically. For example, a machine control company that is looking to integrate PixElement 3D drone flyover data into its existing high-precision job site workflow can automate data processing by integrating our API directly into their software. The workflow can be streamlined in the machine control software to automatically send aerial survey data, such as drone photos, GCPs, etc., to the PixElement API, trigger processing, and retrieve the final outputs, all without leaving the machine control ecosystem. From uploading raw data to generating 3D models, orthomosaics, and digital surface models, this API delivers the potential of aerial photogrammetry to professionals across a wide range of industries. The API's clear and concise documentation ensures a quick start for developers using a variety of program languages. So here's how it works. First, you need to authenticate. So you start by acquiring your API key from PixElement to secure your connection. Second, you upload your data. Send your raw aerial imagery directly to PixElement's cloud platform. Third, you set your parameters, where you can define project details such as processing settings and desired outputs. Fourth, process the data. Leverage PixElement's advanced algorithms to transform imagery into detailed geospatial outputs. And fifth, download the results. You're able to access processed data in a variety of file formats ready for immediate use in GIS platforms, CAD software, or proprietary tools. Deliverables include dense point clouds, orthomosaics, digital elevation models, and more. So let's build something together. The PixElement API isn't just a tool, it's a partnership opportunity. We're actively seeking collaborators who want to integrate cutting-edge photogrammetry into their platforms and workflows. We're here to help you develop a tailored solution and bring it to the market. Let's work together to push geospatial innovation forward. Reach out and let's get started.